It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight.
It's Halloween season and they are getting into the spirit here at Regain, and today we're going to learn about one of their spookiest treatments. We are talking about vampire facial.
Yes.
Okay, you got to tell me, what is a vampire facial? What goes into it?
Obviously vampire facial, it sounds very dramatic, right? But it really just is a reference back to the patient's blood. So with vampire facial, we draw the patient's blood just like you would do at a regular blood draw, and then we use the platelets within that PRP, which has a significant number of growth factors, to help heal and repair the patient's skin cells, and so you get a dramatic result.
Okay, all right. So what is the procedure like? I have to admit, I saw Kim Kardashian get it done once.
Right.
It looked a little scary.
You know, it's probably way scarier when you see that than what the actual procedure is. Essentially, the whole procedure is you come into the office, we draw your blood, as we said, just like you would have for any other blood draw. We spin it down in a centrifuge, and basically we're just removing the plasma, which contains the platelets. And the platelets is what contains the growth factors. And growth factors are the body's healing cells. So wherever you put the PRP, it will help repair the cells and reduce inflammation. So once we get the patient nice and numb, put lots of nice numbing medicine on so you're very comfortable. We do a microneedling procedure, and the microneedling treatment is basically making little tiny channels in the skin that then allows the PRP to penetrate deep into the skin to help repair and improve the texture and tone of the patient's skin.
Okay, so you talked about a little bit. So what are some of the benefits that people get from this?
Right, so the benefits are many, and they can be really dramatic. So skin tone and texture improve. The freshness of the skin improves because you're increasing cell turnover. And people, particularly with sun damage or acne scars, can really see a marked improvement in their skin tone. Patients who are not able to have the treatment would be somebody who, say, is on blood thinners. Maybe they have an active infection in the area that was going to be treated. Those are probably not going to be good candidates for this treatment.
Are there any risk factors involved at all?
So typically in the right hands, there should be no risk factors because you're using the patient's own blood, but you really want to do your homework and make sure that you're seeing a trained provider. We also want to give patients home instructions because you want to be careful to do all the things you're supposed to do and stay out of the sun and other things. So we give our patients those instructions as they're leaving our office.
You have a very special offer for our viewers today, right?
I do. So if you call in and you say you've seen the Spotlight, we'll give you $200 off of your vampire facial, and we'll give you your treatment of your neck for free. Call us at 913-291-8555, or they can contact us through ifeelmuchbetter.com.
This Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by Regain Functional Medicine and Aesthetics.